Everyone, Abby here from Abby Energy. Today we are going to do an amazing, really effective sinus rinse. You constantly wake up with a stuffy nose, dry eyes, dark circles, and you sound like this. Chances are you have a stuffed up sinus. And although most sinus rinses with just the salt water are good, some of them aren't as effective. Sometimes we need something deeper. Sometimes we have dust mites up there, fungus, yeast, mold. And when that happens over time and it starts to accumulate and accumulate, we start to get stuffed up, and then your voice sounds like this, and you wake up, you have those dark circles. You're going to want to take a bowl, okay? This is very important. Then you use distilled water. Never, ever, ever tap water, but always distilled water. You warm it up to room temperature. Okay, this is important. You take a little salt water. There's no science here, but you add in a little salt water because salt helps sterilize the water. So add in like so. You get some iodine. Have you ever seen that soap that doctors use to disinfect their hands? That's basically iodine soap. It's like almost like a dye. Iodine is highly antiseptic. Good to do before you're getting on a flight or after a flight. Good to do if you're having sinus congestion of any kind, and good to do when you feel like you're getting sick. So I just put a few drops of this. Okay. 1, 2, nothing crazy. Xylitol. Xylitol is known to be antibacterial, antimicrobial, and it leaves a coating pathogens to attach. So you add a little bit of xylitol, but it's important to get birchwood xylitol and no fillers like corn. You want to get pure birchwood. Just look, because a lot of them use corn byproduct and you don't want that type. So you just add a little bit, nothing fancy. This is what it looks like. And here's the important part. I'm going to put my eyes in it because, yes, I'm going to talk about something gross. We get a lot of fungus and mold and stuff that accumulates around the eyes. So if you wake up with crusty eyes or dry eyes, it's just a sign that your eye microbiome is just a little off, and it's a good way to help it. This is an Ayurvedic way. And we're going to take the bowl here. You're basically going to dip like a bird. Okay, remember those little toy birds? Ding, ding. I'm going to take this bowl over here. You could use I don't like this plastic one. If you're too scared to put your face in, or a glass neti pot, you could. Is it as effective? It is, but not as effective. If you do decide to use the neti pot, when you're rinsing, get your head like that and let it seep into the sinus cavities like this, other way like this. But you're going to do the bird, and then you're going to use your two nostrils like a straw, okay? And you might see my voice change because actually our voice, when you get stuffed up, isn't our real voice. So let me take this over here, like so. And I'm going to put my eyes in. Okay, actually, I don't want to get my hair wet, so I'm just going to take my hand and go like that and get in my eyes, and it's actually cleaning out my eyes. It's okay. There's nothing in there that will harm your eyes. Okay, you see how nice and white the eyes get? I can't bend over and do the nose rinse. I have to have this bowl filled to the top. I don't want to because my hair will get ruined, and I just had a blowout. So what I'm going to do is use this so you don't make a mess. But it's what's in this water that helps clean out your sinuses. There's salt, there's the iodine, and then there's the xylitol. Bottom up. It tastes kind of good. It's very salty and a little sweet. It cleans out your ear too. Okay. Let's see that. Woo. Do I sound different? I feel like I sound different. Do I sound different?